701.
Mic check, check.
Divergence of NQ on the 9.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
What exactly is AlgoBox and why?
Enigma long on the NQ1.
Absolutely love it.
Target
Speed
fill.
of NQ
Target
379.
Fill. Target fill. Target
Speed
fill.
of NQ 379.
Michael Oates room.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
Target filled.
Fifth
Target
NQ
filled.
on the 9.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Are you ready? Indeed. Welcome aboard. My name is Vinny Emini. If this is your first time with us, well, I don't know. Tell us in the chat where you've been, and let's get to this. That's going to try to start off some weird commercial, so I'm going to go ahead and go to our classic music here, and let's bring you down into our open. Sorry, I am a little bit late here this morning. The bots just made a bit of money here. It's been basically 3 winners in a row, so after 3 winners in a row, I'm going to turn it off. Those were going off there. You might have heard those as the intro was going. I apologize for not getting here a little bit earlier here this morning. Kids and things had a oopsie this morning. My boy's got a stomach sickness and threw up everywhere, so quick throw in the shower and pull the sheets and into the wash. Oh boy, the joys of fatherhood. And we've got, of course, our homeschool going on there this morning. Thanks for coming and hanging out here this morning. We got some new tools to show you. You might have noticed the gray background. That's going to tell us when we are in the fiddle zone. Do not fiddle in the middle. Here, let me do Control E here real quick. And so there are the full auto entries right there from this morning. If you guys want to check those out, if you had full auto on this morning, you would have gotten those as well. So those both won, actually, and that was very cool. Target 1, target 2 on both of those, and same thing on this one there. Right, back to back, and targets filled. Beautiful stuff there this morning. 669 so far, and I'm basically already done for the morning. How y'all doing? So we've got 5 trades. Let's see, I guess I need to go. Oh, did we just lock up? Oh, you're kidding me. All right, so hold on, hang tight one moment here. There's no trades going here for the moment, so shouldn't be an issue here, but I am also on the ones, which is a little bit dangerous, but yesterday the market was pretty slow, so we had that price action there on the ones. No surprise here, hanging up on the open on the ones here. Hold on just one moment. That reminds me, got to turn off your security stuff, which I did not do this morning. So that, yep, real-time protection. Turn that real-time protection off. Let's go over here and show you guys what we're talking about. If you are brand new with us, this is just like any gamer. Any gamer knows you need to go over here and turn this off. When your machine needs to run at its absolute peak with no interruptions, this needs to be turned off. This may as well be called the interrupter. Your data feed drops hundreds of thousands of files into your documents folder. That drives real-time protection services nuts. So just keep that in mind. All right, so let me relaunch my NinjaTrader here. And of course it asks for login credentials and things of that sort. So pardon me for my privacy while I go ahead and log in. One moment. I'm gonna launch the cache clear here because yeah, I can see it's hanging. Okay, so we do have in your AlgoBox installer, if you look inside your NinjaTrader folder, we actually create a bat file for you to help clear your cache and all that fun stuff and start NinjaTrader in high priority. We do recommend doing that at least once a week. And that's not us, that's just a NinjaTrader thing, but we try to make everything easier for our crew here. So go ahead and launch in that, so that will clear cache there, clear my charts from yesterday. I had it left on overnight. And sometimes it's okay, but not when it's that fast here on a Tuesday open there. Super fast and being down there on the ones. And let's bring this over. And let me switch this over to the 2s before I connect my data feed. So I'll go to a slightly higher time frame. Actually, I'm going to go all the way to 3s just to make sure everything is cool. What's the speed? Can somebody give me a speedometer readout on NASDAQ real quick and tell me what algo bar and speed that you're seeing right now before I press connect? I'm about to connect again. There we go. Twos is 72. That's good speed right there. I like the sound of that. So I will likely be shifting down to the 2s here in just a moment when my data loads up here for me. 30 on the 3s. Oh, come on. Okay, got 3s, and let's connect again. All right, there we go. Okay, so let's see. What's our time? 9:39. Okay, so we're not quite to the 9:40, 9:50 reversal time there quite yet. So plenty of time here. I'm going to switch to a different coloring there. Just a moment. Oh, you're gonna... Come on. Alright. It's gonna be one of those days. I go to... Can't launch the indicator window. Thank you, NinjaTrader. Trader 9000. Thank you for that. You like the purple? That color is actually indigo, and that is... I'm debating what the default should be when we push this out. within this next week. It's actually a week and a few days for June the 1st release for the features. Slow down to 58 BPM on the 2s. Thank you for that. So yeah, again, I do not recommend making changes while the market is live. And of course, I'd already done it, and I was like, I'll change it. No, do it while you're disconnected. So I am gonna now change it outside of that. The Fiddler. All right, from Indigo, I'm going to a dark slate gray. There we go. A little less distracting. I already get trolled so hard for our colorings all the time. Oh, looks like Rainbow Bright threw up on your screen. Yeah. Yeah, we kind of know what's going on when the market's moving. Crazy how that works. Okay, there we go. And all right, that's what I get. Getting punished for coming in late here this morning with you guys. How many of you guys were in yesterday's live stream? It was a lot of fun yesterday. If you were there, type a 1. If you weren't, type a 2. Let's see if we got some new folks hanging out with us and how many people are coming back again here today. Says loading. Come on. What is going on with my data feed here today? Oh my goodness. Come on, data feed. Let's go, bro. Yeah, let me check for 2 workspaces. Thank you. So I have had my dev space in between these two. Oh, how many days of data do I have on? So switching between dev workspaces before we get this release out. Oh, I see things flashing. Oh, something's happening. It's catching up, perhaps. There it goes. All right. It's screaming at me to get my 14900 done. That's what it feels like to me. Okay, let me set this to high priority. I'm gonna go to NinjaTrader here, and normally I just do this with my executable, but there we go. High priority, especially when I'm on a live stream. When your streaming software also slows it down. Oh, there we go. Now we're picking up some speed. Okay. Unfortunately, OBS also, when you're live streaming, automatically puts itself in high priority, and so you got, yeah, it's just okay. Let's get to some trades, shall we? Let me make sure it's all cut up. Yeah, 9:45, right? On the 3s, current speed is 15 here on the 3s. I'm gonna pop to the 2s, which happens to be my favorite algo bar is the 2s. And that looks like a good double Enigma coming up right there, right as I'm switching over. So stop underneath my Enigma.
Along on the NQ2.
Oh, triple Enigmas right here. Let's watch what happens in this space here.
Target filled. Target filled.
Butamus. So switching charts and busting out a T1, T2 there. Almost at our first K there this morning.
Speed of NQ84.
All right. Let me try to recombobulate myself here. So First Enigma, no go. You know what I like about that? In the fiddle zone, right? What about this one? Deep in the fiddle zone. This one, yes, it was in the fiddle zone, but made it so you have to be careful on some of those, but we are looking to have the capacity to auto filter outside the diddle, as you might imagine. That could be pretty cool. David, you also were having some data feed issues with yours as well this morning. All right, so there is low of day. That's that big red marker there. Nines still outside there. Looks like a nice trap there, and got the push up. Very nice off the 11.7. Listening in for AudioBox. Okay, sounds like they're trapped. I'll put my stop under the cross.
Q57.
Nope, they're kicking it back. Oh, boo. All right, trade number 5. Finally a little loser there on what's not really a play. Just looks like to me like feels like a trap. And heard AudioBox kicking. So AudioBox, but not a structure play. Normally we want to take a structure breaker play on that. 16 looks like we're going to push her back down to the low of day there. David, you're not able to connect to your Apex. Yeah, you know, check with Apex support. On that, head over to the Apex Discord room and see if their tech support can help you out, or if there's other folks in there helping or needing some assist on that. Hey, listening for AudioBox on this. Oh, you know what I haven't looked at? My Mac VU. What's Mac VU telling me? Mac VU is neutral. So trades in both directions here. No bias there. Okay, here we're cracking through. You know, one of my favorite things is a break of structure play. Stop underneath the cross. Hearing buyers in on AudioBox into a shark back there. Finger over the close in case that shark back kicks it right back down.
Target filled. Target filled.
Now we lock it up under the shark, PRZ. For the runner. Okay, got my runner there. No runner. There's a structure. Listen for a break.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Way behind it.
Speed of NQ69. Enigma long on the NQ2.
Okay, we're in the fiddle. Dangerous spot here. Moonshot. I'm going to add to position. It's going to be a big play. Risk on there. Tricky part is we are in the fiddle diddle diddle middle. And we didn't get in on that first break, so not doing great on my manual trades here this morning. Full auto has been the way to go here for me this morning. Let's see if this one helps me out. Or going to get me in negative territory, because the size that I'm at there right now, I'll be in negative after this play if it hits my stops there back behind the Enigma. So I'm just thinking through, you know, my options as I'm playing the game.
Target filled.
Moonshot helping me out again. See if we're going to get a runner this time. I'm going to push it out. There's a 13.5 for the close for 2K on the day. What's up? Let's hear it there in the chat. I don't have any of my buttons ready there this morning.
What you say? That you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it
Trader on a mission. AlgoBox rhythms in my hand, using my code powers, playing with the big brand. I've seen all the scams like
Speed of Enigma long on the NQ2. Speed of NQ64.
AlgoBox, I really love this game. I love it, I love this game. I love it, I really love this game. AlgoBox, I love this game.
With the AlgoBox printing strategies on the chart, sparking trades is only the start. You'll see chart pattern unfold, clicking buttons till hits gold. Gathering on Discord day in and day out, grabbing bags, that's what it's all about. AlgoBox trading, playing the video game, let the tools do the work, only you to blame.
Love this game. I love it, I love this game. I love it, I love it, love this game. AlgoBox, I love this game.
To enhance your P&L, master market replay and excel with the market's edge. Day by day success is the only way. Moonshot, Enigma, Alpha, Omega, headshot. With these strategies we hit the jackpot. With this rising markets go insane. No worries, AlgoBox has your
New bar on the
game.
wave. New bar on the wave.
Love this game. I love it, I love this game. I love it, I love it, love this game. AlgoBox, I love this game.
We are the best. Woo! For me, Peppy, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and Eddie B, I am sitting on the beach town.
Get your lighters in the air. What's up? Nobody's got lighters these days anymore because nobody smokes anymore, you know. But maybe turn your little flashlight on your phone and wave it above your head. You know what I'm saying?
Boom! Get you some!
Oh, who created that one? I just pressed play on one of these. Now I'm trying to scroll back down to see who created that one. That was awesome. Who did the I love this game one? This was we had an audio contest recently, and that was one of these submissions. Man, you guys are so creative. Absolutely outstanding. Hilarious stuff. I absolutely love it.
ICT.
Oh, we are having too much fun. You know what they say? Well, what I say is, if you're not having fun doing it, it's because you're doing it wrong. Yeah, that track is lit. So if you're looking for that one, it's in the AudioBox contest room called... What'd they call it? I love this game? Yes, someone called it I love this game. How about that moonshot, eh? So that one started out with, if you're wondering, like, okay, why did I enter in initially? So right here, we heard AudioBox, not AB, not to be confused with AlgoBox. AudioBox, kicking hard behind a structure breaker. One of my favorite plays out of structure. So normally, if the harmonics are playing, then we come in, we find structure, and we come back in, and everything is easy peasy on when structure's holding. When that structure breaks, with the oomph of size and speed coming in, which is what AudioBox is telling us, size and speed coming, then we're like, okay, cool, boom. And it tends to get me a breaker. I usually want to see that go straight to target 1 for the real fun. And it kind of takes my risk off. That's the way that I kind of play it. You can play it how you want, of course. Don't forget that everything that I'm telling you guys here is for information, educational, and entertainment purposes only. Hopefully, you guys, you are entertained. I'm not telling you how to trade. I'm just showing you how I do it. And if you want to use the tools and use them your way, welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Let's see. Scroll over. Did I miss something in the chat? Probably, because I was having too much fun as usual. Zed is dead. Made that track. Zed! The myth, the man, the legend. We announced the winners. First place, $1,000 prize. Second place, $600. Third place, $400. And then, out of our pure generosity, we are going to go ahead and we did $100 for everybody else. Everybody who entered in an audio drop prior to the Friday announcement there. We are looking everybody up this week. So if you have not sent me your PayPal details yet, send me a DM. If you submitted an audio, make sure I've got your PayPal details. Ping me there inside of Discord, and we'll get you that PayPal. So send me a note if I don't got your information yet. All right, this is getting super slow right here, so I'm probably going to switch down to the ones. And I'm also approaching 2K here in our first session. We are 1 minute from 10. So we've got 11 minutes till our coffee break. Yes, DM it to me, yes. These AlgoBox jams are going to win a Grammy. I know, they're great, man. Like, you guys just impressed me to the max. Outstanding work. I'm going to check out the AlgoBar ones here real quick. Hopefully it doesn't lock up on me as I'm shifting there. Normally, if you want to switch like that, normally I want to be disconnected. Yeah, it was a nice Enigma there on the ones as well. A little bit wider, easier to see there. Oof, look at that beautiful exit into Enigma to Enigma. Those are my absolute favorites. Let's see if this one went 20 ticks or not.
Enigma long on the
that only went 8. I'll take a shot at that one, sure, why not? Oh yeah, look at that, beautiful. Snagged it. Snagged it. Gets me over 2K. Come on.
Look at this guy. I love it. So shiny.
DCDMNQ on the one.
No, Curtis, he's asking about, oh, sorry, you're asking about the song submission. So we're not actually technically taking any more song submissions. That was, what, 2 Fridays ago or 1 Friday ago? I think it was 2 Fridays ago. 2 Fridays ago. Now we're just announcing the winners, but the winners need to send me a direct message with your PayPal details. Obviously, you don't want to post that in the song area. So, Curtis, if you can help them out, make sure they know to send me a direct message if they did not send me their PayPal details so that we can send them some money. Money, money, money. There's a lady that does that way better than me. Where is it?
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
Yeah, when's the AlgoBox audio album released? Yeah, we might have to put that out there for everybody. That's good stuff right there. All right, P point coming up.
Speed of NQ1.
Who thinks we're going to hit to the P? If you think we're going to hit the P, type a P. If you think that it's going to fake it, type a 2. Are we going to get the P point or not? Type a 2 if no, a P if yes. Did I play Unreal Tournament? Who didn't? 1999 Unreal Tournament. Oh yeah, man. All those games were so awesome. Arena shooters. That's how I got the clicky finger. You know what I'm saying? You know. I actually have a video on that of ways to, you know, apply video game esport practice into how we're trading, what we do with our trading. Pretty cool video. You been stalking the P point?
Speed of NQ94.
Yeah, sometimes you really gotta wait on. Okay, let's see. Oh, a shark showed up right in front of it. So the shark could stop her. Let's see. Is she gonna pop her or is she gonna stop her? Let's see. I'm hearing AudioBox kicking through there. It's gonna be a tough one. Where's the P point? We should see an explosion of orders come through if we pop that P. Let's see. Getting a lot of good speed right now. I'm gonna turn on auto. If I get an Enigma, I want to go ahead and take it. Good speed. Ah, good idea, Eddie. Live stream the build out setting up of your 14900.
Speed of NQ1.
Yeah, like I didn't build it, you know. I'm not one of those, I don't build my machines anymore. I go out there and buy them, so it's not nearly as cool because I just let somebody else do it. And but yeah, it's all the setup and all the software and transferring all your settings, and especially with all the OBS and graphic stuff we got going now, it's a little bit nuts. Okay, so we got auto entered here on an Enigma long there into, oh, Frost showing up to say, hey, we're dropping some P point right up above us here. Is P point going to be the pivot? Is it going to turn it back down? Could be. Normally we see a spike of volume come in with it. There's a little spike there, but I was hoping to see an alpha omega there. Okay, a bit more dangerous now that it didn't get straight to target 1 and got interfered with there on a PRZ cross. That's once, that's twice, 2 tries there to it. That could mean trouble. Alright, I'm not giving up anything right now at this point, so I'll kill it. If we didn't go straight to target 1, that's a sign. I can always re-enter, so I got my finger over the buy in case we do go for it, but there's that P point right there. It banged its head up against there. Somebody dumping right there. It's not significant. At the same time, we have 1, 2, 3. So it could be a wise man, 3 wise men here, and could be the reversal. Yeah, smart play. Yep, there they go. So I was expecting to see that up here somewhere. Technically, I mean, it did. It touched that P point, but barely. So that tells me I do want to be starting to look for some shorts if the MACVU turns. And remember, I say MACVU has to turn first. So currently, what's the MACVU? I know we didn't talk about this at the beginning of the channel, but if you guys have been around for a while, you already know. You already have this as a free tool there inside of Discord on the left-hand side. Make sure you are looking in on that. So take a note on that one. You know, wasn't working. I killed it, right? Normally, those kind of plays, when it's that kind of speed, that's why I turned it on to begin with, because I was like, oh, we got good speed here. Cool, cool. Let's go, right? Okay, Shark with a 20.3. You know I'm going to take that. You know I'm going to take it. Are we going to get straight to target 1? Stop underneath my cross.
Target filled.
Nope, not getting target 2. It's all right. Again, I'm already up on the day there, so I'm not giving nothing back. We got 3 minutes till coffee time, so I'm not going to give it up right before we hop in there. But a 20.3, y'all know I'm going to take that pretty much every single time. We're going to be setting that up on full auto soon. Those of you guys who've been asking about that, you'll be able to set a number for it to auto enter for you. Because sometimes those happen really quick, like that one there. Even me, I was behind it, but you know, it was still good. Like if you get to the depth of it, where did the pivot point begin? Did the up move? 20 ticks, still up 20 on it, even when it's not a, you know, oftentimes these are big pushes up, big reversals happen off of those. But even in a small area, you know, there's enough to get T1, T2 out of it. Not every time. We're not saying it's going to happen every single time. But everybody knows there's risk involved, blah, blah, blah. Put your stop under the cross when it doesn't work. Yada, 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 yada.
Speed of NQ 106.
But I do challenge you to find something better. Is there anything better than what we have? There's not. Will there be a setting to avoid the diddle? Well, kind of already, right? So it'll already be there for you. That's what these gray areas. In fact, yeah, I forgot. We just announced that yesterday. So this gray area in the background, this is coinciding with the MACV no fiddle in the middle, the diddle zone.
Speed of NQ 63.
Is now projecting vertically across your charts. So basically best plays are going to be in the black zone. Make sense? You want to stay out of the middle? For full auto. For platinum members, yes. Again, it's kind of the distinction between platinum members. Platinum get all the bells and whistles, all the filtering, dual robot systems, all that kind of stuff. Some of the other stuff you're going to have to do a little bit on your own, but yes.
Speed of NQ 60.
Hey, thanks for that, Eric. I'm going to read what Eric said. Eric said, best algo platform I've ever seen. Thank you for that, my friend. I appreciate that. A lot of years of work. This is not something that popped up overnight. We've been out here, man, my old account, was it 2012? It goes before that. No, it was 12 years at 6. So 6 going backwards. Now I kind of want to look. Let me look at my market historian channel. Anybody know how old my market historian channel is? Off the top of their head. Is that in the about section? I used to have an about. Where's my about button?
Speed of NQ 61.
Oh, YouTube doesn't have an about button anymore? Where's the about at? Oh, there it is. Joined March 31st, 2028. Am I reading that right? Yeah, joined March 2008 on the Vinny Emini Market Historian. So is that 16 years? 16 years. Been a while. Been a while. Yes, it is coffee time. You don't know what it is? 10:10 to 10:30. Time to grab that coffee. And I like to turn on full auto.
Speed of NQ7.
During this little time window here. So I'm going to turn on small and full auto while I walk away and grab my coffee. Oh, let me get you guys on the right screen there. Grab a coffee. And I'm going to set that on full auto on a twofer there while I grab that coffee. Because during this time window, I have found the Enigma is usually pretty cool. It's pretty darn good. Let's just say this. Look at the stats. We're just playing stats. I'm just here to play the stats. So stats during 10:10 to 10:30 when this wildness comes in. Again, we can't proprietary. It's proprietary. Can't tell you what's in there, but let's just say it's good. It knows. It knows. All right, I'm gonna grab a coffee. You grab one too. And while we're grabbing that coffee, why don't we enjoy some sweet, sweet jams from our members.
J hook long, NASDAQ on the MACD. New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Stacking them pips. AlgoBox got the algorithms making money flip. ICT, you can't compete. Your analysis is weak. Michael J, you ain't got the skills, just a trading sheet. We trading warriors, we the best in the game. Vinny Emini AlgoBox, we bring the flame. ICT, Michael J, are just frauds on display. In the trading industry, the ones that pave the way.
Whoa. They just
Speed of
believed
NQ
on a faith basis
140.
only that I was taking every single trade that I showed examples of. And normally, I do a pretty in-depth editing process.
Yo, let me come here to sing you a song about trading with AlgoBox. It's the bomb. Vinny's the mentor. Straight up the dope.
Speed of
AlgoBox,
NQ77.
helping us stay afloat. Yo, AlgoBox, trading like a boss. Playing with the big boys, ain't no loss. Yeah, AlgoBox is a whole new game. The tools do the work, only you to play. You don't need to be perfect to be profitable. Don't fiddle in the middle, that's just not plausible. Winner, chicken dinner, that's the aim. Love those dips, it's all part of AlgoBox. Trading like a boss. Playing with the big boys, ain't no loss. Yeah, AlgoBox is a whole new game. Let the tools do the work, only you to blame. Follow the rules, don't fiddle in the middle. Stick to the plan, watch your profits triple. Golden rule, winner chicken dinner with AlgoBox setups. You know, yeah, AlgoBox, trading like a boss. Playing with the AlgoBox, trading like a boss.
Speed of NQ81.
Boys ain't no loss.
Speed of
Yeah,
NQ81.
AlgoBox, it's a whole new game. Let the tools do the work, only you to blame. Moonshot, Enigma, Alpha, Omega, headshot. These setups, we're reaching for AlgoBox, trading like a boss. Let the tools do the work, only you blame. Game like a boss, playing with the big boys, ain't no loss. Yeah, AlgoBox, it's a whole new game. Let the tools do the work, only you to blame. AlgoBox, it's a whole new game. Let the tools do the work, only you to blame. I'm holding on your trades.
Speed of
Got me
NQ73.
10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play. AlgoBox, you turn it all around. You tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how. Wait, you tell me that it's easy, didn't think I'd see the game you play. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
AlgoBox, it's too late. Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Like a heart needs to beat, something new. Yeah. You make it like a game.
Speed of NQ53.
You say follow and play along. AlgoBox is true.
Target filled.
It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox.
Target filled.
Too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox is too late. Whoa. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox is too late. I said it's too late. AlgoBox is too late. AlgoBox is too late. Too late to miss the game. AlgoBox is too late. Yeah, I'm holding on your trades. Got me 10 feet off the ground. AlgoBox makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can be found. AlgoBox and never miss the game. I'm holding on your trades. Got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play. AlgoBox, you turn it all around.
ICT.
Show me how. Wait, you tell me that it's easy, didn't think I'd see the game you play.
Speed of NQ70. Speed of NQ70.
Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like a heart needs a beat, something new, yeah. You make it like a game now, winning every move. And you say follow and play along. AlgoBox is true. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox.
Speed of NQ7 on the 1.
To miss the game, AlgoBox is too late. Yeah, I'm holding on your trades, got me 10 feet off the ground. AlgoBox makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can be found. AlgoBox. to never miss the game.
They think I've got no reason to give myself a right to share what I believe in. Ooh, they say I've got an issue, always on the edge, cause I don't trust. But I don't need your word on what I'm into. A freak it to my ego, forbidden if I make it mainstream. And I don't need to wake up to your whisper, forget it with some liquor. Damned if I ever have dreams, but I've got that wildfire head. And I've got that wildfire, and I've got that wildfire head.
Speed of NQ54. Speed of NQ54. Enigma long on the NQ1.
Tired of paying for things you don't.
Speed of NQ70.
Target filled. Target filled.
Alrighty then, we've got about 10 seconds and we did not quite get to 100 likes, so I will be catching you guys in the next one. Thanks for hanging out. Full auto bot doing the jams there for me. I'm going to go ahead and turn that full auto off now. It is 10:30. Thanks for coming and hanging out here with us this morning. We'll be in for the afternoon session, and I will catch you guys in the next one. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbox, Macho, Course, G, and Eddie B, I am sending out the Big H-Town. See ya. Our team, take it away.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
The old adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance with the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money and better opportunity, I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Speed of NQ78.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
DCDM NQ on the 1.
Delta 5 billion. Long. Look for a long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. Down on a freeze.
Order filled. Target filled.